this is the pathway for the public. You go there, you are facing a kiosk of Deen Dayal. Again I am saying there are a lot of open spaces in this country. Business must carry on. I am not referring to business as a contradiction. What I am only saying, let us not bring a shop selling samosas right in front of a gate of somebody. I think this is where when I was told that the engineers of KTC had suggested this spot. I think when you are doing a major decision like this, see, some citizens are going to court to remove this structure, and it will happen. I can tell you that the disabled people and senior citizens are going to move the court. My only request to Kadamba and all agencies, before citing some of this, please look at the ground plans. Somebody is giving wrong information showing this as 3 meters. We have come here, we have measured it, the motorcycle pilot size. So where is the public access? There is no public access actually. Okay, so this is only one of the issues. It's not the only issue, one of the issues. Okay, so other agencies will then examine it. There are already letters gone to all agencies about this and what is to be done about it. You know, just to tell you, right from the first stone which was put here, we moved the collector immediately because we realized this is a business. Nobody should lose their money. Unfortunately, despite telling them, Baba, please review your decision, they have just gone ahead. Okay? And done it. I have no problem. Personally, I have nothing against this chain of. I have nothing against. My only problem is that you are opening out yourself to litigation and a product boycott campaign. On 15 August, there is going to be a massive product boycott campaign on this all over India. All over India, saying not to buy in this shop. So you see where it is going to go. And the major people who are doing this are disabled person and senior citizens. Okay? This is the point which we have to look at.
Turn the wheelchair and go along there. The line has to be a single line till the end of the bus. Up and down, up and down, up and down.
So, while you are at that, I also want to point out to you. Right now, walking, and there to breathe, this thing is flying. Okay? Home teacher photo, you know the thing. Why I am bringing this to everybody? The High Court in Chennai has ordered the Corporation of Chennai to pay 5 crores to the victim of a board which came flying and hit a motorcycle person in that 5 crores. This is the compensation order. So my request would be, I don't know how Kadamba will, it's a financial issue also, how best can we resolve this case? Because you see, this is the problem. That means inside the bus stand, you are getting exposed. So I would suggest CSIDC, Imagine Pension City Limited, please give your suggestions. How best we can do this?
Smart City, जो कोण आएगा?
Yeah, Smart City. Yeah. You're from Smart City.
So they are working on it.
No. So what I'm saying, see,
Right now, this structure we have to change because done in 2004.
if you keep this like this, in 2 days, some more damage will take place. Either you remove it completely, which are those which are broken, just remove it. Because what with Sukreza would have known, the whole product, one is gigantic.
It can no, whatever loose we have removed.
But Adam of
Replacement.
Sometimes the material you are using, many buildings are using that. not tired. Okay. So I would request that before you finalize the thing, just show the temple to them. So this is the big signal. इनको बरस पड़ता है. And of course this site. So ramp comes 80.
The other thing is all ramps for disabled, the norm says 1.8 meters.
No,
So,
Ram
there we now have to 1.8 meters, one continuous ramp, and a pedestrian crossing in here, where the bus is not stopping.
Now what is happening? You can see if I am walking, there is a bus, that side there is a motorcycle. So no parking. Even these buses are parked here, grass and so on. You can see very clearly. So, no, they are not moving. They are not moving. So, the bus stand cannot be. Prior to COVID, I will show you photographs of not only buses, there are broken rickshaws which have been rotting here. In fact, in this report of 2018, we have got all this, all the documentation. So, I agree on the police conduct. Understood? So, when 7 o'clock in the night, it is a free for all. It becomes a full scale market. People are selling tomatoes, brinjals, everything. आता issue किती हा भले पाक करता आहे आणि 5 दिवसा उपरांत येताना गाडी काढतात. So very simple. Vehicles which should not be here should not be. And every morning there can be a police made. If that vehicle is still there the next day, it comes under the jurisdiction of traffic police. Right? You can approach them and handle the vehicle. They are open. Because this sends the wrong signal that this is a dying restaurant. It is like a... Not you. Based on this number, enforcement will issue him a notice.
वरून एक आमचे जवळपास पार्किंग दिली जाऊन सांगता आणि त्याच्यानंतर मी जनरल तो बस वरतली आणि यू टू पे द फाईन
See, other problem किती हा, we are not in the purpose of generating fines. If we can send him a notice,
no fear, no, then next day no other person will come and buy.
they are the enforcement authority. Notice pardon me. I try notice pardon me that in 48 hours you please remove your bus. If in 48 hours is not removed, you will have to tow it. And there is now a very clear demarcated policy by the district collector on abandoned vehicles. No. Compal vadum bolanu gadiyo compal and there
nobody is coming there after
where you all going to Kadamba
we can take there why did you take me all
insurance issues.
याच्या दोन्ही
Once the notice is issued, once the notice is issued, release it to the media press also. The press.